Hello Xhorse fans, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to introduce a new device, Tool LITE. Now let's take a look at this package. Open it. Here's an instruction manual in English which gives a brief description of how to use the device. Then there's Tool LITE. 1 programming cable and 6 wired remotes as gifts. Please note that the gifts are limited, first come, first served. Tool LITE is very small and compact. If anyone is wondering how much it weighs, now you know the result. The coil is used to read transponder and remote data, collect remote frequency, and collect transponder data. It supports frequencies of 125 kHz and 134 kHz. The area below is used to identify the IC card. And there's a working status indicator. If it is on, the device is in working mode. And a flashing light that indicates that the device is upgrading. This port is used to connect the programming cable. Tool LITE is a wired device. The cable features a Type-C interface and can only be connected to Android phones with the OTG function. The iPhones are not supported. If your phone is not equipped with a Type-C interface, you'll need an adapter with an OTG sign. Then we try to connect it to the phone. Plug in the cable, tap OK, tap Connect. Now we can start to work. No more worrying about the battery. Please note that if your phone pops up such a dialog box, you need to follow the prompts to turn on the OTG function. If you're not sure if your phone supports OTG function, you can search online to figure it out. After work, just unplug the cable to turn off the device. Okay, that wraps up the unboxing video. In the next video, we'll demonstrate its main features such as transponder clone, remote generation, etc. If you're interested, please keep following us. See you in the next video.